Nippon Paints. Live with colors.
The construction work of the Colombo West International Terminal within the Colombo Port was initiated today. The project was flagged off by Ports Shipping and Aviation Minister Nimal Siripala de Silva. The Indian High Commissioner to Sri Lanka Gopal Bagli was also participated at this event as a special guest. The entire project will cost $789 million. 51% of this total investment belongs to India's Adani Group, 34% to John Keel's Holdings plc, and 15% to Sri Lanka Ports Authority. The length of the jetty constructed under this project is 1,400 meters. The total terminal area is 65 hectares. The container capacity of this terminal is 3 million. The construction company emphasizes that an 800-meter-long jetty will be constructed with 18 automatic terminal cranes will be installed under the first phase of this terminal, which will be built in 2 phases. Minister Silva stated that the Indian government has provided significant assistance in resolving Sri Lanka's current economic crisis. He said that after the completion of this project, a large number of Sri Lankan youth will get job opportunities, and the Sri Lanka Port Authority will be able to earn a large amount of foreign exchange.
So we are very happy to be here today because as it is said by the investors that this is the biggest FDI project in Sri Lanka in the modern times. So when the Sri Lanka is struggling to earn foreign exchange by various means, this has been a catalyst for our development in Sri Lanka. So therefore, we are very delightful today because I wanted this terminal to come up very, very soon. So we are thankful to the government of India and Adani Group and your company for coming to Sri Lanka and investing here because it is geopolitically also very important to us to ensure that we have excellent relationship with India. And in the same time, we should have a business interaction more with the Indian entrepreneurs. That has been in the past also. And we are grateful to India. During the good times as well as in the difficult times, India had rescued us. What is important is that the modern technology must be transferred to this port. As far as the technology is concerned, I think we are behind the other developed port in this area. And the Adani Group coming here, I know they have more than 10 ports they are controlling in the Indian Ocean. So we have selected the best investor because we have to reap the benefit of their experience and their contacts in the Indian Ocean ports. I am happy to state that 99% of the recruits will be from Sri Lanka. The Sri Lankan young workers will be trained here and it will create employment and the transfer of technology will be there.
Speaking on the occasion, Indian High Commissioner Gopal Bagli said the relationship between the two countries will be further strengthened through this project. For more latest news, subscribe to FTTV.